Hello everyone, this is Timmy. Welcome you to Timmy-Crypto. If you don't know what we do on this channel, we talk about crypto and bring to you legit and latest crypto update. Also, a legit airdrop update. What we'll be looking into today, we're talking about a website that will be giving us free ROB, LTC, USDT, Euro, and USD. So, without further ado, let's dive into the site and see what the site can give us. So let me come to my browser. As you can see, the website has two aspects in it, because what this site does is a advertising site where you can post your advert, like social media advert like VK, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and so on. So, but what you are coming here to do is to perform some tasks. As a performer, all you have to do is to opt into this website. Click on registration. You as a newbie, you are new to the site, all you have to do is to earn on assignment. But if you are coming here to advertise, you click on other advertising. So you click on earn on assignment, then you input your username, you input your mail, your password, then confirm your password, agree to the terms and conditions, then click on register now. And mind you, please, if you are working with this site, you only need one account per device. So don't make that mistake, because your account might get banned. The site is very sensitive. And so that's that for that. Like me, I already had an account. So what I just have to do is to come here, then log in. So this is the home page of the site, and this is the menu. So on the menu, we're having earn through suffering, earn through reading of email, withdraw money to your wallet, download IP web soft program, also get help, invite referral, manage your site in promotion, manage your events. So that's when you are coming here to earn, you can earn through suffering. Also, you can earn through reading of email. So I've already told you about the web app. So the web app will give you more sites to solve, more tasks to complete. So that's it. When you are facing any difficulty with the site, all you have to do is to come here, get help about work in service. Then here you can talk to their customer care or a customer representative. Also, you can get the bot solver, that's bot supporter, that will help you solve your problem. And also, you can also earn by inviting friends. So as you can see, invite referrals up to 550 pesos ROB per advertiser, 7% of each suffering. So when your referrer posts an advert, you can earn big from it. Also, when your referrer solve any site, complete any task, you'll be earning 7% of their earnings. So if you are coming here to manage your site in promotion, this will put you through on how to post your link, your website, you that is coming to promote. Then here, manage advertisement email. So that's that for that. Let's head over to the task session and let's perform one or two tasks. On this site, they don't have minimum tasks that you can perform. So when the task got finished, you give it some time, like maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, you come back again, you definitely meet a new task again. So like me, I've already completed many today. So let me come here. That's how it works. To read the description of the task is here under your screen. It said subscribe to this channel, make a screenshot confirming the subscription. What I just have to do is to click on this open window. Then it has redirected me to the channel, that's Telegram channel. What I just have to do is to click on join, then take my screenshot, then come back to the website, attach screenshot, then upload file, click on your screenshot, confirm, then you click on that confirm mark icon. So that's that. It has been completed. So you just give it a little time. Sometimes it did not even take up to a second before your task get approved. So it's very fast. Let's complete this one. I don't have a trend on my phone. Let me skip it. This is where you skip, and to open a full window. Oh, sorry, unfortunately at this moment you have completed all the available tasks. So that's that for that. Already completed the task for this moment. Like when I give it like up to maybe 2 minutes and come back, I will definitely see a new task. So that's that. On the withdrawal aspect, I told you I just initiated a withdrawal not quite long, so waiting for it to drop. So for you to withdraw, as you can see here, you can also see social media tasks, VIP tasks, mailbox tasks, referral, and withdraw fund. Block tasks. These block tasks, this is where you see the tasks you have already blocked that you don't want to associate yourself with again. Completed tasks. This is where you see your completed tasks. Tasks you have already completed. As you can see, this is it. As you can see. Last 2 weeks, these are the tasks I've already completed. These are the tasks I've already completed. These are the tasks I've already completed. When it's tick green, that means the moderator has already accepted your task and it's being confirmed. When it's yellow, creamish, that means the task is still under review, awaiting for verification. And so when it's ticked red, that means your tax is being denied because of some issues. Maybe it's not completed or other issues. So that's it. As you can see, take a look at the tasks I've already completed on this website. Completed a lot, and I've withdrawn not once, not twice, not even thrice. I will take you to my history and let you see. As you can see, these are the tasks I've already completed today, part of the tasks, because I've completed a lot today. So which I've already submitted, but haven't been reviewed. So still waiting for the moderator to check on it. If you are willing to use the app, so what you just have to do is to click on download IP web surfing. Here you can access the app so that you can earn more. Like I already have the app, and I can also earn from it. Maybe when I will be doing another video about the website, I will be using the app application. So what you just have to do to withdraw after you earn from the website, you come here. It's very fast to withdraw and very easy to meet up the minimum withdrawals, because they have a lot of lists. Like minimum amount for withdrawal fees, 10 ROB for Payer wallet. When you are using Payer wallet like me, I already linked my Payer wallet, as you can see, and also my Litcoin wallet, which I normally use the two. So that's it. And if you are withdrawing with a wallet, 20 ROB. When you are withdrawing with Litcoin, 120. When you are withdrawing with TRC20 Theta, that's 1056 ROB. When you are withdrawing with Z process in web money, that is withdrawing with web money, you need a 3 ROB. Withdrawing with web money USDT, the first one is USD, the second one USDT, also 3 ROB. Your money wallet, 3 ROB. Mobile operator, that's for Russians, 3 ROB also. And when you are withdrawing with your card, that's Visa, Master, MIR card, 150 ROB. So that's that. As for me, I choose payer and also LTC. As you can see, these are my withdrawals. The latest withdrawal I newly initiated this morning, not quite long, is under awaiting payment. As you can see paid. As you can see, this is LTC. So this is tested and trusted. So let's see, maybe the withdrawals drop so that I can show you people. Let's wait for this latest withdrawal to drop so that you people can see it as confirmation that the site really pays. I will still be doing another video on how to withdraw with LTC. What you just have to do to withdraw, you just have to come here, you link your hard wallet, click on hard wallet to bring you to this interface. So you can put in the wallet, then you save. Click on save. It's very simple. So as you can see, it's rising paid. Everything initially was 31.4, but because of based on charges fee, I'm being given 29.83. So that's it. That's for that. As you can see, this is the amount already made from the site. September 15th, September 14th, September 14th, September 13th, 11, 11, 10, 8, 10, 9, so and so on, and so on. So all these ones, I truly received it. So let me head over to my prayer and show you. Let's head over to my prayer account. I'll be dropping also the link to prayer account in the description box. So as you can see, this is it. Received 29.83. So that's that for that. Please do well to like, subscribe, also comment, turn on the notification bell so that this video can go far as fast as possible to the people that are willing to get some informations like this.